Welcome to Day 8 of our Professional Transformation Roadmap. Today, we're focusing on how to draft and manage emails in Outlook using the power of Copilot and vibe coding. Think of natural language as your new code. You provide the intent, the AI understands the vibe, and it generates the draft for you. Outlook Copilot is your new code editor. It integrates directly into your email workflow, allowing you to write simple commands while Copilot handles the actual drafting. To master vibe coding, use this syntax. Define your ask, the audience, format, tone, and any constraints. These elements combined define your desired output. Getting started is easy. Just open a new email and click the Copilot icon to activate the system. It's now ready for your first prompt. When drafting, be specific with your intent. Clearly state what you need, who it's for, and the tone you want to convey. Always conduct a vibe check. Review the generated content for factual accuracy and adjust the tone so it perfectly matches your specific audience. One of the most powerful features is thread summarization. Copilot can turn long, messy email chains into a clean summary with clear action items. Use the custom memory feature to teach Copilot your personal style. By saving your preferences, you reduce rework on future drafts. Compared to traditional writing, vibe coding significantly reduces the time and mental effort required, turning long tasks into quick tone tweaks. Adopt the vibe coding habit loop. Prompt, review, save, and share. By working through these steps, you and your team can work much smarter together.